Hurricanes regularly threaten the Gulf Coast, with names like Katrina, Isaac, and Ida symbolizing destruction and loss. In response, a $3.7 billion project aims to protect New Orleans with an 18-mile barrier in the West Shore Lake Pontchartrain area, designed to safeguard 60,000 residents. However, engineers face significant challenges in the difficult marshland terrain. The project is vital to prevent future disasters from storms characterized by strong winds, heavy rainfall, and deadly storm surges, which pose a severe risk to the low-lying city. The existing levees that protect New Orleans are crucial but can fail, as demonstrated during Hurricane Katrina in 2005. Footage from Hurricane Katrina reveals devastating storm surges over 20 feet that breached levees, flooding neighborhoods and destroying thousands of homes and businesses, resulting in tragic loss of life. Following Katrina, Hurricane Rita struck shortly after, reminding residents of their vulnerability, while Hurricanes Isaac and Ida reinforced the ongoing threat. The frequency of these storms raises urgent concerns for residents and businesses in New Orleans, prompting the need for effective disaster response. In response, the West Shore Lake Pontchartrain WSLP Hurricane and Storm Damage Risk Reduction Project, costing $3.7 billion, aims to enhance storm protection. Led by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, this ambitious project plans an 18-mile levee system designed to provide significant risk reduction against severe storms, capable of withstanding a storm with a 1% chance of occurrence each year. Building the levee for the West Shore Lake Pontchartrain project involves significant challenges, particularly in the rugged terrain of remote marshlands. Engineers use advanced computer modeling software called AD-Circ to simulate various storm scenarios, identifying potential weaknesses in the design for constant improvement. The project focuses on the East Bank, covering St. Charles, St. John the Baptist, and St. James parishes, where the geography creates unique vulnerabilities to storm surges. Preparations include surveying and clearing dense vegetation to establish the levee paths while minimizing environmental impact. The first contract near Garyville involves removing unsuitable topsoil and leveling the ground, while another contract near Reserve conducts pile load testing to ensure the soil can support the heavy pump stations. This meticulous planning goes far beyond simply piling dirt. It requires careful engineering and preparation. At Contract 110, large pipes are being installed to create drainage channels, which are essential for managing heavy rainfall within the levee. Without these channels, rainwater could cause flooding inside the levee itself. Building the West Shore Lake Pontchartrain project involves significant logistical challenges. As the levee stretches through remote swamps, engineers first constructed 14 miles of land bridges to allow access for heavy trucks. They meticulously clear vegetation and lay down tons of sand and clay to form the levee's foundation, guided by years of research and simulations. Pile load tests are conducted to ensure the soil can support the weight of the structure, considering the immense pressure from storm surges. The project also includes crucial drainage structures and powerful pump stations to manage water effectively during storms. However, this ambitious undertaking is not without controversy. The original budget of $760 million has increased significantly, as more detailed studies unveiled additional factors requiring mitigation. These ballooning costs can spark debate. After all, an extra $1.27 billion is needed just to build the core levee and pumping infrastructure, with another $1.7 billion required for environmental measures and future maintenance. With each hurricane season, communities remember the price they've already paid: lives, homes, and economic vitality. Loss is far harder to measure than any expense sheet. In that context, the question shifts: can we afford not to invest in protecting the vulnerable communities bordering Lake Pontchartrain? This isn't just a construction project. It's a shield against disaster. Over 60,000 people will gain a level of protection they don't have now. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future updates. More importantly, share your thoughts. Are massive projects like this worth the cost? Let's discuss this in the comments.